Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to glow up by focusing on a few main things: hair, skin, and makeup. Hair. The way you style your hair can make or break your look. To find your perfect hairstyle, you need to first know your face shape and how to best accentuate your features. There are 7 main face shapes: triangle, round, oval, square, diamond, rectangle, and heart. The face shape you have influences what haircut, hair length, and texture suits you best. If you have a triangle face shape, avoid straight bangs, which will bring focus to your upper face. Instead, opt for face-framing bangs with layered hair or short haircuts that have soft waves. For round faces, half-up hairdos can add more volume to the top of your head, which creates an elongating effect. Oval faces can wear almost any style. You can be stylish with nearly any look. With a square face, avoid sharp straight lines like bangs or bobs. Instead, aim for soft curls which balance out sharp features. Adding volume also gives the illusion of a smaller face. Diamond face shapes look perfect with side parts and bangs. Wolf cuts and curtain bangs can help slim down your face by covering your cheekbones. If you have a rectangle face shape, a long layered haircut that frames your face suits you most. Wispy bangs can soften your features and adds unique feminine charm. Heart faces should avoid sharp angular haircuts which draw attention to your mid-face. Instead, try shoulder-length hair with waves. These hairstyles add dimension and elongates your face. Find a hair routine that works for you. You don't need to wash your hair every day. Generally, you should aim to wash your hair 2 times a week. If you have oily hair, focus on properly cleansing your scalp. For brittle hair, try conditioners aimed at repairing broken hair bonds. Avoid heat, as it can damage your hair, and use a heat protectant when styling. Skin. Your skin is the largest organ in the body, and it needs to be nourished. Using too many products can have a negative effect, so focus on a simple yet effective routine. Every person's skin is different, but you only need a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. If you have acne-prone skin, you can use products that contain salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, and azelaic acid. To help pigmentation or dark spots, make sure to exfoliate and use sunscreen daily. For oily skin, use a lighter moisturizer, and for dry skin, try thicker moisturizers. Makeup. The first step to a good makeup routine is prepping your skin. Using a supportive primer will do wonders for your makeup. You can apply a tinted moisturizer or foundation with your fingers or a beauty blender. Try to avoid your under eyes if you're adding concealer on top, as it prevents your makeup from looking cakey. Always use a shade similar to your skin tone for a more natural look. A lightweight concealer can be used for your eyes and is generally a slightly lighter shade than your skin tone. Meanwhile, a more full coverage concealer helps hide scarring, dark spots, and acne. Don't place your contour underneath your cheekbones, instead place it on top. This lifts up your face rather than bringing it down. Use a small fluffy brush and apply in a dabbing motion instead of dragging it across your face. Copy this as a guide. Your blush placement can change your entire face. If you want a rounded or youthful look, place your blush in the center of your cheeks. For a more lifted and angular look, apply your blush on the high points of your cheekbone, where you'd usually put your highlighter, in a U shape. For your brows, you just need to fill them in. You want to focus on the tails and gradually use less product towards the front. This way you can avoid blocky brows. Instead, you have natural-looking brows that help improve your facial harmony. Make sure to shape your brows to a suitable eyebrow shape. Set your T-zone with a loose powder and use pressed powder for more delicate areas like under your nose and eyes. If you notice your makeup starts to get oily quickly, carry around blotting paper to help absorb oils without affecting your makeup. That's all for today. Remember, glowing up isn't just about appearances. Your attitude, personality, and confidence play just as big a part. You're already amazing, and you don't need to change for anyone.